Excavation Gemstone, and I'm gonna smash it so I can get this gemstone, and you can watch me. So, this is real hard. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam.
You want some real tools?
No. Oh, I forgot to say like and subscribe. Okay, I'm just gonna have to do this. And that's a lot. Give me.
Don't stab your hand with it.
Whoa, you hold that. Whoa! Easy. Wow. What? There's a lot of them in there. That was like the best, Mom. Okay, I got like a nice yellowy sunny one. Oh, it fell. Okay, and I got this like ruby one, and this one's still in. I'm gonna swish it around in the water.
No, go ahead and bust that one out, and then you can clean them all off.
Okay. Fast. Try and get it all out. Let me go ahead and dust this one out. And oh wait, okay. Bam, 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 bam. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Okay. It looks like it's free, but it's not. It wrapped. Whoa. Wow, I got this like, this one's pretty. Okay. Get it all out over there. Oh my. Hey, what was that? Oh my. Whoa. Where's the water? Let me make some space for you. Put them in. They all float underwater. And they look so clean. Let me dry them off with my shit. I said shit.
Shirt. Yeah.
My shit. And these are pretty. I already showed you these two ones. And this one is like so pretty. You see this? Here, let me hold it for a close look. Ugh.
Did you do a close up of those two?
Oh wait, and this one's still a yellowy one, and this one is like a ruby. What does this one look like?
I don't know.
Maybe like a pinkish purplish. It looks so pretty. And that's it for our video. Like and subscribe. Woo!